anything but the amount she drank to press charges. Hold on. Unleash the lawyers. Alex Sanchez, Kenya Johnson. Alex Sanchez, it's not her decision. This letter from this friend did more harm than good. It's not the girl's decision to seek charges. And to say the girl can only remember how much she drank and we shouldn't believe her. Remember, he admitted to quite a bit. This is not what she said. She was comatose. Why are you looking like that, Kenya? Are you surprised?
Listen, nobody deserves to be the victim of any sexual assault. But doesn't this bring up another issue?
I need there to be a but.
Yeah, but, shouldn't people engage in common sense behavior?
Yeah?
I mean, what kind of sense?
Don't rape an unconscious girl?
What kind of sense does it make for anybody, a girl, a boy, or anybody, to get stinking drunk to the
point
that...
like the defendant did?
No, to the point that you don't know what's going on. You have no conscience about where you are or what you're doing or who you're going with. Shouldn't people engage in some type of behavior so as not to put themselves in a vulnerable position?
You're absolutely right.
But even if that's
the case, the fact that while she's unconscious, he rapes her?
Well, he's not saying that. He's saying that he thought it was consensual.
Well, that's not what
and let me tell you
said.
something.
But you can't have it both ways.
No,
you can't have her comatose, and she's so drunk she's comatose, and oh, how awful that is.
He was drunk
and
too.
say, yes, she consented.
No,
you can't have it both ways.
Have the right to say what they want to say in court.
He was drunk also, and he's saying, I thought it was consensual. And you know what? When you drink, your judgment is impaired.
Now you're changing gears again. First you said she's comatose. Oh, she's bad. She's a bad girl.
I'm not saying she's bad. I'm saying it was poor judgment.
She drank about what he drank.
No.
Now you're saying, oh no, she was not comatose. She gave consent. Then the third thing you said was the defendant, who's been convicted of rape, said, oh, I thought it was consensual.
Well, the defendant
factors when you're looking at a sexual assault.
thought
so
it was consent. She may have been comatose,
let's
but
get back
he
to the
thought
letter.
it was consent.
Oh, he thought that in his drunken stupor. He thought that. Okay, put him back up. Hold on. I'm sorry, Liz. Hold on. Back to you. Sanchez, if he thought it was consensual, when those two grad students came by on bikes and said, hey, what are you doing? Why did he get up and run away? Why did he leave the girl laying there half naked with dirt and pine straw all in her private area? Why did he do that if it was consensual?
But I do know that his judgment was seriously impaired because by your own admission, not your admission, but by the scientific evidence, he had twice the legal amount of alcohol in his body. And when you have that much alcohol, your judgment is impaired.
But nevertheless, he was convicted by a jury, and there's no way she should have made that kind of statement. There are no mitigating factors when you're looking at a sexual assault. He should have just apologized to her and asked for the mercy of the court.
Well, that brings up an interesting issue, Kenya, that he never showed remorse or apologized to her in court. Let's get back to the facts. Put up that screen, please, if you don't mind, again. I'm not blaming her directly, because that's just not right. Well, here I go. I'm blaming her directly. Basically, in this letter, where do we draw the line and stop worrying about being politically correct every second of the day and see that rape on campuses, it isn't always because people are rapists. I think what she's trying to say is the girl was drunk. I think it used to be Swim Star, and now he's the face of rape on campuses. Joining me right now.